Welcome to new beginners tutorial about Godot GDScript, named Mastering Godot and made from a free book with the same name, Mastering Godot. For this tutorial you have some requirements, so please download 3.1 or 3.2 Godot game engine for free from their website with the same name and create new project and new 2D scene. If you use the same project for this, just go to drop down menu scene and click new scene. After that, select which kind of scene you like to use. So select 2D scene. And within this 2D scene we get one default node, which are Godot Game Engine object. Everything is defined with the nodes and with the sub-nodes called child. So this node will be parent to some sub-node. And for example, let's add one simple node. We will click here to add child node, then we will write the name of the node we want to add, for example label, and then we will just create this label. This label is some other type of node, and this node is child node to this root node. Every node have some properties and methods. This 2D node have properties also in this integrated developed environment here in inspector window. Properties are transform, position, rotation, scale, etc. Every node have options for some other actions like signaling. And now let's add one GDScript for our root node. This is our root node, 2D node, and we will just click here to add a new script. For language, we will use GDScript. There are also other options, but we will use GDScript with default template and just click to load this script or new to create new one. Our script will have some default data if you have default script, or if you predefined it like I do, you will only have this extends to the node. And now we will do something simple to help you understand and see something very fast. First, we will create one function. You don't need to create this function because when you select default script, you will have ready function with this pass commands. Pass commands is needed for a function if you don't have some execution code in it. Without the pass command, you will have some comments like error, and you cannot start your project. So we need some code inside. We will use command self, which means this exact node, so 2D node, and we will use one property. This property is position. To set a position we need some parameter. This parameter we will call it position, and we need to define it. We will use onReady variable called with the same name, and this variable will be vector2 variable with some parameter for horizontal and vertical. When we start this, we will not see many things in a screen, but when you look on your 2D screen, you can see position of the node, and here you can see transform position. So if you click here on the move and move it somewhere, you will see the change of position. This is a changing of position in a 2D space with this IDE, and if you want to do it with a GDScript, you will use set position for some node. This node is node2D, so self.setPosition and position. We will continue in a next lecture. Thank you for watching. Just to remind you, this tutorial is for beginners, and if you want to learn some advanced stuff, you can just read a description of every tutorial, and if you are interested, you can watch it. Thank you again, and goodbye.